We are going to go through a quick overview of the income statement in this video. There are 4 financial statements. The statements are prepared in the order of the income statement, the statement of retained earnings, the balance sheet, and finally the statement of cash flows. In this video, we'll be walking through the basic construction of the income statement. The income statement answers the question of, how well did the company perform during the period? The income statement contains revenues, expenses, gains, and losses. Revenues and gains increase net income, while expenses and losses decrease net income. The income statement is also known as the statement of operations. It covers a period of time, so it will be for period ending, which is usually the year ending, the quarter ending, or something similar. Here we're going to look at Kent Boat's income statement. Let's start at the top. The first title or heading line of the statement is the name of the company, its official name. The second title line will be the name of the statement. The date line is next. It tells us the period of time that the income statement covers. It is important to note that this income statement covers a year. We then see the column heading in thousands. That means that 3 zeros have been left off the statements. This is done to enhance readability. Next, we see the top row of the actual statement after the headings. The income statement will always start with revenues or sales revenues or some wording like that, always. Next, expenses will be subtracted. On actual income statements, several different expenses will be listed. I have combined them here so that we can focus on the overall structure of the income statement. Note that expenses are not shown as negatives. Financial statement users know that expenses are deducted, so expenses are simply listed and subtracted from revenues to arrive at the next line, operating income or loss. The word loss is in parentheses because a loss occurs when revenues minus expenses is negative or when expenses are greater than the revenues. Next, we have a line for other expenses. This line is actually a great number of items, but here we just have it as one line when we're just getting started. Then we arrive at net income or loss, which is operating income less other expenses. If overall expenses and losses are greater than revenues and gains, there will be a net loss, and the net loss figure will be shown in parentheses to show that it is a loss. Just a quick note about financial reporting conventions. The top number in a financial statement has a dollar in front of it, as do any later subtotals and the final total. Anytime a subtotal or total calculation is going to be made, you will see a single underline. That means that the numbers above it are going to be added or subtracted. At the end of the statement, the final number will be double underlined to show that the statement is complete. What does this net income for Kent Boat shows? It means that Kent Boat's operations were profitable for the year. Now we're done with our look at the income statement. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.